Hi guys, welcome back. We are taking a break from the spooky today and we're gonna go full 80s pop princess Madonna glam. It's a fun departure from the spookiness and it's a really easy costume look to put together. So if you want to see how I did this, just hang out. Okay, this look is gonna go really fast, okay, so hold on to your butts. We're starting out with a very heavy brow because it is the 80s after all, and then we're gonna go ahead with this bright orange color into the crease. We're bringing it out wide on the temples, and then in the outer corner, bright pink, and then on top of the bright pink, an even deeper shimmery bright pink just for added definition. Now I'm using this white concealer and we're going to cut the crease. So you put a little dab on your eyelid, open your eye up wide, and then that will tell you how high to go. And then I'm just going to continue it down into the inner corner, fill it in. Then I'm tapping the super bright lime green matte shadow on top, and then on top of that, a lime green shimmer shadow, just for a little extra sparkle. After I'm done there, then I take the pink sparkle shadow on the edge where the green meets the pink, just to make sure the edge is blended and soft. Now I'm taking a matte blue color on the lower lash line, and once I'm done diffusing that, I will follow it up with a little bit of a shimmery shade. And then in the inner corner, I'm going to take that same shimmery lime color from the lid and carry it into the inner corner. Now I'm using a turquoise metallic eye pencil in the waterline to help pull the rest of the look together because we're going to add lashes. And these are very heavy, dramatic lashes. So I'm going to take this liquid black eyeliner and just draw a little line on the top, and it's really just to hide the lash band. We're not doing a wing here. Now I'm adding a light coat of mascara on the bottom lashes just to help kind of pull it together. Those top lashes are serious. And then it's blush time. I'm using a super bright pink color right here, high on the cheeks, very 80s style up into the temple almost. And then I dipped into the bright pink eyeshadow just to brighten it up just a little bit. And then on top of that is this iridescent highlighting shade from MAC. This is Show Gold. Now I'm lining the lips with this hot pink Wet n Wild lip liner. This has tremendous staying power. If you are sleeping on the Wet n Wild lip liners, you are missing out, friends. Also, by the way, all of the makeup that I use in this look and all of the costume items that you see, like the earrings and the hair bow and all the rest of the costume, I will make sure to link everything down in the description box so that you can find it. Newsflash, everything's at Party City, okay? It's on the shelves right now, you can't miss it. So even though the lipstick color, well, it's not lipstick, it's lip liner, even though that color is so pretty, it's not quite right with the eyeshadow, so I added a coral color right in the center and then tapped on a little bit of that MAC Show Gold to give me a little iridescent lip. You know, in the 80s, we loved a frosted lip, girls, and we also loved a beauty mark. Didn't we all want one? Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this super fast video. If you don't have time for an elaborate Halloween costume, you have found your perfect fit. Videos are going up on Thursdays and Sundays this month, so be sure to like and subscribe before you get on with your day. You can also follow me on all of the other socials, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!